Hiya everyone, so today I have got an exciting video and I have got the Revolution 2026 advent calendar. I feel like I've literally just finished advent calendars. I've been so behind on videos this year, it's unreal. But I noticed Boots had advent calendars available and I know it's early and I'm very out of practice, so give me a bit of leeway. I know it's early, but I know a lot of you like these videos early, so I'm doing it for the ones who like it. If you don't like it, you don't need to watch it. This is the Revolution 2026 advent calendar. This is the one available on Boots. Sometimes they do a Superdrug online exclusive. I haven't noticed that yet. If I will definitely. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram because I do share on my stories like advent calendars that are available and I will be starting to share them now. Yeah, but we're going to get into this in anyways. So this is a 24-day advent calendar. Got it up on my phone here how much it is. At the minute it is £37.50. It says normally £50, but I feel like it will always be on offer. So take that with a pinch of salt. And that works out at £1.56 a day. So we're literally going to unbox this for £1.56 a day and I'll let you know what I think. First impressions, it's not very Christmassy and they've went back to traditional doors. I'm not sure if I like that. I do prefer the boxed style. It's easier to open in that sort of sense. So we want at £1.50 something a day. We want day number 1. We have got, let's have a look. We have got the Pout lip oil. This is a clear lip oil. This is it here. Good size. And just a clear lip oil. So yeah, you can't really go wrong at £1.50 for that. So that was day number 1. We want day number 2, which is a square box here. Are we getting a mirror this time? We are. We have got a Revolution brand mirror. You know how I feel about that if you've watched any of my advent calendar unboxings before. So that was 2. We want day number 3, which is, yeah. Oh, this is very pretty. We have got a powder highlighter. As I'm getting older, I must admit, I can't really get away with like these beautiful, gorgeous, shimmery type highlighters. As much as I would want to wear something as stunning as this on my cheeks, I literally can't get away with it. I have not got that beautiful skin tone, like skin texture anymore. So that's day number 3. We went to day number 4, which is a big square at the bottom here. Oh, this is different. We have got a powder, a translucent powder. I'm quite excited about this. I love a good powder. I actually love the powder we got in last year's. It was like the lace powder or something. I'm still using that now. It's actually in my makeup bag now. I love it. Really good. And it's, I mean, I've been using it all year. So this is it. Yeah, I'm quite excited about this. This is something I will use for sure. And it's a good size for £1 something. Hopefully it's good. We're in day number 4. We want day number 5. Where are you? Day number 5. Right above day number 4. He's probably screaming at me. Oh, this is so cute. It is a powder puff, but it's like the fluffiest powder puff I've ever seen. Not sure how well that will work. Is this the new type of powder puffs we're using? I will try this. I like that. I really do. And I do love the powder puffs. So that was day number 5. And day number 6, which is up here. It's very skinny and little. We have got a clear brow gel. I actually kind of like the brow gels from these advent calendars. I always feel like I end up using them, vice versa. And I don't normally have to repurchase a brow gel for the year. Obviously, they're not like my favourite brow gel, but they do the job that's intended. So, yeah. So that was day number 6. We went to day number 7, which is another little skinny one here. We have got a shimmer nude eyeliner pencil. So is this like for the inner corners of your eyes or something like that? A lot of you will know. If it's not something that I will use, I probably will not swatch it. That is stunning. because I do make advent calendars up in the month of November and October for giveaways. So definitely subscribe if you want to be in for a chance of a handmade advent calendar. But that is so very pretty. I like that product. That is very pretty. So that was day number 7. We want day number 8, which is this little one here. Oh, we have a little sponge, and this is it here. Just a nice little sponge, very cute. We want day number 9, which is another skinny little one. I'm guessing maybe a black eyeliner pencil or maybe a mascara. Oh, no, we have got an eyeliner, a black felt eyeliner pen. So it's actually an eyeliner pen. I don't really wear eyeliner. Oh, but it looks nice. It looks really nice. And if that is something you wear, that would be good. It doesn't say whether it's waterproof or anything like that. I'm just thinking a standard eyeliner pen. So that's 9. We want day number 10, which is another long skinny one, which is here. We have got an eyeshadow brush, and this looks like a really nice eyeshadow brush. Really nice. Definitely something I'll get plenty of use out is that. And that was 10. So we went to day number 11, which is the last of the little skinny ones up here. And we have got the lip liner in Chauffeur, and it's a nude lip liner. I own this already. It's a really nice nude lip liner. Really nice. I think you get that in every year. So that's 11. We want day number 12, which is another little one down here. Oh, we have got a jelly blush. This is what it looks like here. So these, oh, this is dark. Little jelly blush like that. And this is what it looks like. Oh, that's bonny. Definitely lighter than texture. Is beautiful. That would be lovely just on your skin, you know, if you're not a foundation wearer or anything like that. Yeah, I like that one. That was 12. Went day number 13, which is up here, which I'm guessing a lip product because of the shape. Oh, I don't know about this. It looks like concealer. No, it's an eyeshadow primer. Good size, mind you. So that's different. We used to get an eyeshadow primer, but then they stopped. So that was 13. We went day number 14, which is down here. We have got another highlighter, and this is in the shade Glass Halo. In this like little cream packaging. Oh, this looks so pretty and all. This is it, yeah. Lovely little size. I think these would be fab for travelling. I will swatch this one with it being a cream because I feel like cream ones normally are a bit more flattering than powder on my skin. And that is it there. Very pretty. And I love the size, like cute little size. Perfect size for me, not too big. That was 14. We went day number 15, which is, yeah. And we have got the Ultimate Lash Lengthening Mascara. I will look up if this is actually a mascara. I'm not going to open this because I've got multiple mascaras opening and I do not need to. But if I can, I will put the picture of the wand up, but I can't guarantee that you're going to get a picture of the wand. So that was 15. We want day number 16, and it is down here. Oh, this looks pretty, whatever it is. This is a mauve iridescent pink eyeshadow. That is so pretty. That is absolutely stunning. Honestly, that's stunning on another level. But I own so many eyeshadows and I never wear them. That will go to a nice home where it will get appreciated. That's 16. We're day number 17, which is this one here. We have got a shimmer stick, a face shimmer stick. So I'm assuming this is a cream. what? It's like a pink colour. Did you use it on your eyes as well, I'm assuming? It's in the shade Pink Snowfall. It just says Face Shimmer Stick. Day number 18, which is this one. Yeah. That's another lip product, maybe? No, it is a tinted lip serum. It is a peptide glaze. And this is it, yeah, sorry. I know I've got a glare. It is 4 ml, so it's a little size. But yeah, I'm quite excited about that as well. So that was 18. We want day number 19, which is a big one down here. Oh, we have a powder brush. This looks quite nice and all, you know. Like a nice powder brush. Yeah, that looks nice. Oh, that's good. Full size and all. Good size brushes. So that was 19. We want day number 20, which is up here. Oh, this looks nice. We have got a lip gloss in the name Cherry Kiss. I just love that. I love the colour of it. I love everything about that. Not something I probably would use, but I do love that. That was 20. We want 21, which is another square one down here. Aha! And we have got like a translucent powder again in this style tub. And this is like the one that I'm using at the minute. I'm sure it's the lace one. I could be wrong, but I'm loving it. Like, I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. So that is 21. We want 22, which is down here. And we have got the Lip Shift Peel Off Lip Stain. Ah, these are like them new things, isn't it? Right, let's have a go with this. So does it tell you how long? 3 minutes. Okay. These are what loads of people... I like that they've put this in. Oh my god, it's shimmery. But does it go on shimmery and you peel it off, right? So I've put it there. We're going to peel that off in 3 minutes. Hopefully 3 minutes or soon. Right? So that was 22, I think. We want 23, which is here. Oh, I don't know what I feel about this. Are we in festival seasons now? Yeah. We'll leave that like that. So that was 23. We want 24, which is our final day. Oh, back to the return of the big palettes. We have got a full-size Revolution eyeshadow palette. To me, this is just doesn't do it for me, honestly. If I'm being 100% honest, I probably sound really harsh, but it's called the Holiday Special in Special Noel. It just doesn't do it for me. I very rarely wear eyeshadows, so a big palette like this doesn't do it for me. It looks very pretty, very pretty. I did prefer like the skinnier palettes that we've gotten in the last couple of years. But overall, I feel like it's given a mix of new modern products, but then you've got a few little oldies that we used to get. I feel like for 30 something, is that how much I said I paid? Works out £1.50 a day. I don't actually think it's that bad. For £50 I would have been foaming. I would not have been happy with this at all. I like how we're getting this new product, this peely product. I will peel it soon for you. Overall, I think it's okay. And if it's something like for your teenage daughter, something like that, I think they would love it. I really do. We've only had 2 dud days, in my opinion. And that is the mirror. But some people like the mirror, so it is what it is. And then the gems. But I know a lot of people use these gems now because I like the series Euphoria and stuff like that. So, yeah. But to me, they're dud days for me. And, oh yeah, and some people might not be happy about the eyeshadow primer. But I think for me it will work, so yeah. Overall, I'm happy with it. I don't think it's too bad, actually. Quite happy with it. So let's peel this off, and anyways, I don't know whether it'll actually work on your hand. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I like that. Right, okay, that's nice. That's actually left like a nice colour. I feel like on your lips that would be lovely. If you've got very pigmented lips, it might not be deep enough, but that is something. I like that. I'm so happy with that, actually. Yeah, and anyways, if anyone's asking, because I feel like they might, because I do normally when I wear a red lip, I do get asked, This is a Giorgio Armani Lip Power in the shade 400. I will link it if I can. I will link this down below if I can as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribed. I've literally just bought lots of advent calendars. I would love it if you subscribe if you haven't already. Follow my Instagram as well. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.